How to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on your Windows 11. So let's just get right into it. The very first thing you want to do here is open up Registry Editor. So press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box and search for Regedit. And then hit Enter. Click on Yes and your Registry Editor should open up. Now from here, what you want to do is go over to this folder, H-key current user, expand this. And once you have done that, again, from here, you want to find your software tab and expand that. And then from this expansion, you want to go ahead and find Microsoft, expand that. And from there, you want to go ahead and find current users. So from Windows, you scroll down first to Microsoft, find Microsoft over here, and then click on the drop down. Then you have to scroll down and find Windows, so click on the drop down, and from the Windows, go to current version. And now you want to find something called Game DVR. So just go ahead and find this folder, Game DVR, expand this, click on it. And then you don't need to do anything here. So all you have to do here is find a file where it says app capture enabled. If you don't see it, you're going to have to create it yourself. Go to new. And then if you right click on the blank space, go to new and create a dword 32-bit value. You want to just go ahead and type in app capture enabled. Just like so. Make sure there is no space in between and all of the first letter of the word are uppercase. Now once you do that, double click on it and then you're going to have to set the value data to 0 and then click on OK. And once that is done, you just need to restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.